Hi, I am Anna. I come from www.ntvforex.com. Dollar falls in New York as risk sentiment returns on rise in U.S. equities analysis. http ntvforex.com News ID 6207 BC 8/27/2021 58:23 a.m. The greenback went through a volatile session. Although dollar remained on the front foot in Asia and Europe and then gained at New York Open after release of robust U.S. durable goods data, USD met renewed selling and ended Wednesday lower against majority of its peers due to return of risk appetite after the S&P and Nasdaq rose to record high. NBSP Reuters reported orders for non-defense capital goods excluding aircraft, a closely watched proxy for business spending plans, increased 1.9% last month, the Commerce Department said on Wednesday. These so-called core capital goods orders jumped 4.3% in June. Economists polled by Reuters had forecast such orders climbing 1.9% in July. NBSP versus the Japanese yen, although dollar edged up to 106.55 shortly after Asian Open, price met renewed selling and fell to 106.17 in European morning on cross-buying in JPY before rebounding to 106.46 at New York Open on upbeat US data but only to tumble to session lows at 105.96 on USD's weakness. NBSP The single currency met renewed selling at 1.1840 at European Open and fell to 1.1801 in European morning on cross-selling in euro before rebounding to 1.1825. Despite falling again to session lows of 1.1773 at New York Open on upbeat US durable goods data, the pair staged a strong recovery to 1.1838 due to USD's weakness and then moved sideways. NBSP Although the British pound retreated from 1.3157 in Australia to 1.3126 in Asia, price rose to 1.3165 in European morning on cross-buying in sterling, especially versus euro before briefly falling to 1.3118 at New York Open. However, cable then erased intraday losses and rallied to session highs of 1.3219 on renewed USD's broad-based weakness before stabilizing. NBSP data to be released on Thursday. NBSP Australia capital expenditure, building capex, Japan total industrial activity, Swiss GDP, France business climate, Italy industrial orders, industrial sales, US GDP, GDP deflator, core PCE price index, initial jobless claims, continued jobless claims, pending home sales, KC Fed manufacturing index, and Canada current account, average weekly earnings. NBSP. Subscribe our channel to receive the news as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. If you want to read real-time news, text messages to MT5 Expert Advisors page at https://mt5.expert.advisors.